shit, here we go again. Another video with my beautiful E60. In the previous video, you can see it somewhere around there. I hit a concrete wall, bent rear end. This is all that was broken. Now it's all fixed, all good, all done. Don't really have much to show there. It took like half an hour to change the sensor hub thing, like the upright, I guess. I don't know what it's called, but yeah, change that. Nothing really too special, new bolts. Still need to do an alignment on the car just to be on the safe side, but for now this will be fine for this track day. So let's jump to the track and see how it goes. We'll see how E60 handles now. Everything should be relatively straight. I did not do alignments on the car because I didn't really have time for it, but it seems like all the control arm, like adjustable control arms, everything was straight and fine, so should be good to go. Now I also have Insta360. Let's hope for a boring track day, just learning stuff and so on. Oh, and also today now we have technical inspection for like competition. They make these inspections like ahead of time so that you don't need to come to the track on competition and find out you have some issues with the car, so you can inspect it now, build everything. He'll write up everything that's not correct, you can build it and so on. So that's really cool. I will go to technical inspection with this car, even though technically I do not plan to run this car in competition, but I know that my E46 should be fine for scrutineering. Yeah, scrutineering. So we'll see what's wrong with E60 for street class. Okay, let's get in the car and go. Okay, ready to go. Let's see how this all will play out. Okay, let's do a tire warm-up. Okay, first run, almost. I hope that my camera is still on the car. First test so far, actually, in short, everything seems decent, but those quite long corners, I don't really have enough gear for it. I will need to put in third gear, which I'm not a fan of. I don't know how to do, but I guess I'll have to try, but I think it'll bog down on third gear, so I don't know. Try again and see what happens. Might try third gear actually. So I'm still learning how to properly comment while I'm on a track because I'm in the mood and everything, and I don't really film anything with me talking. So from this point onwards there are some few crappy GoPro talking moments, but nothing too interesting. But to recap, no, I did not try the third gear. I stayed in second. The third would bog down and it would not really work. The solution is different gear ratio and a lower number gear ratio. Currently the car has 3.46, I believe. So something like 3.2 probably would resolve this issue. But this track configuration is not something that would be part of competition. This is part of like a winter track that has not yet been arranged. So it has those long stretch corners, which normally this class would not have. So technically also should be fine with existing diff, but I probably will change to lower number, like I guess it's longer diff called. But either way, as I don't know how to talk in between things, then here is some small montage of Insta360 GoPro, and I don't really have any other outside footage, but either way, here it is.
Big up. You already know. 1 yard to Trinity, yo, we still the same ones. When it come to chats, we don't take none. Shit, bad man Jamaica. Trinity, global sensation. Up until the day come, yeah, till the day come. Red, white, black flag, daddy gon' shake some. Green, yellow, black flag, root, yeah, shake some. We don't want no drama in this, so don't make none. Up until the day come, yeah, till the day come. And the day came, still thumbing through the night, chance of light rain. I guess I really gotta show you about this Trinity King. I guess this is how it is when you from the island, man. So I take a flight to Tobago, FOG down. Man's on the ends, Londonville to the sea-town. Remo with a schema and a beamer with the T down. And she wanna know me, tell me, baby, what you need now. A little buddy, bubble up your pop, mix the curry, go dummy. Whole fam, ice on no funny. From the Ville to the Ville, shout out Teddy, that's the Tuggy. Still the same ones. When it come to chats, we don't take none. Shit, bad man Jamaica. Trinity, global sensation. Up until the day come, yeah, till the day come. Red, white, black flag, daddy gon' shake some. Green, yellow, black flag, root, yeah, shake some. We don't want no drama in this, so don't make none. Up until the day come, yeah, until the day come. Say they want smoke when we see them, they don't say none. Yeah, they all talk on them stories that they made up. Really putting work, all them nights we done stayed up. Really from the islands, whole fam from Jamaica. Yeah, non-style when my come true. Coolin' with my pops and my uncle. Joints on stomp pipe jungle. Shout out to my cousin, yeah, 1, 2, yeah.
Alright, so E60 survived this one. Had a small bump, the bumper was thrown off, but that's really not a big issue at all. Other than that, everything went perfectly fine. Now I know that I need to find different ratio differential. About the camera, one small issue I have with it is I have quite shitty suction thingy to put it on the car, and the camera was scratched a little bit. I tried to use this to guard the lenses, but of course when it's on the car you don't have the guard on, so I have it scratched a little bit. The other side also, so yeah, we'll see how those lenses, and I guess it's not a lens, that's a glass for the lens. I'll see how those change, but other than that, really like it. I'm not sure if I mentioned, I have ordered like a 3 suction pump system so that you can put it on the long selfie stick, essentially having it like behind the car, and you can get those racing game shots and also pretty much see better because the camera is further away from the car. So better shots from that. Hopefully coming in the next, I don't know, training session or competition. I don't know what's next.
If you don't speak, then you won't get spoken to. People only see you when you up, then they notice you. Trying to be a legend, create lines is quotable. Only the real shot last, and I only know a few. People when they feelings always acting emotional. Ain't about a check, then it ain't negotiable. Gotta show respect to the people that's posting you. Soon to be on posters posted up like the older dudes.
Alrighty, party people, we are back in the workshop. I'm gonna call this a workshop. So we're back in the workshop. The E60 performed amazing. Don't really have any much damage, so this video might be a little bit boring, but we did test out the 360 camera. A little bit more on that later. But yeah, the only real damage is this wheel got hit. As you can see, I glued on these colored spokes because it's a requirement for the track, and this weekend was scrutineering. And yeah, but in the training session this got damaged a little bit. Doesn't really matter, we'll show it a polishing machine, slap on a new sticker, we'll be good to go. Also, if you notice, my rear bumper flew off, so that's a little bit scratched. Doesn't matter, those are consumables. Bumper budgets are being spent already. So really, only damage this weekend is the Insta360 camera. I really love the camera. Now I have done editing a little bit. Of course, it takes a little bit more effort because you need to edit those 360 videos separately to get footage out of them, and then you can edit that in your video. But it's not that much of a trouble. The Insta360 app offers some sort of AI tracking tool, so you can show the object to track, and when drifting it does not perform ideally, but it's good enough. Just also want to mention, I'm not sponsored by Insta360. Could be, if you're watching, Insta360 people. The camera performed well. Already ordered new lenses, order also lens guards so that they are cheaper to replace than the lenses. Of course, when you order new equipment like that, new tools, you get drawn in with all the accessories. So I have already ordered like a single suction pump, that's for the car usage. I have also ordered 3 suction pump systems so that you can put it on a selfie stick and get those cool behind like racing game style footage, so that might be interesting. That's all good. I think the car is fine. We can leave it at that. This video will probably not perform that well because it's short and I don't have anything catchy happening in it. Like there are no big crashes. It was a good track day. Good testing. That's it for this video. As usually, like, subscribe. If you have managed to get this far in this probably shitty editing video that I do, it's worth a subscribe. Okay, let's stop blabbering around, get the car off, and I'll bring in something that's for the next video. Well, if you want to find out, like, subscribe, hope to see you in the next video.